So as you can see, this is the wallet. Okay, and we just find transaction first. Okay, between live transaction, the official website of blockchain. Let's find transaction from here. Okay, it must be under the 0.07 BTC. I got this transaction. Let's see if we can confirm this transaction. It's less than 0.07 BTC. It's 0.04481199. So we can confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, this is the wallet. Right click, get inspect, wait for a few seconds. And click to console. There's some warning, you must read that. This browser features intended for developer. If someone told you copy paste something here, it is a scam and will give them to access your money. Okay, so make sure you read this carefully and make sure you have zero balance and empty wallet. Okay, so this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about it. Okay, so yeah, after we read that, clear everything from here and paste your script. Right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script and then minimize it and then paste your script here. Paste, press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here. We just need a hash ID. Okay, we can copy from here or we can copy from here. Okay, we just copied and then paste it over here. Okay, once again, do you want to send transaction? Yes, click OK, click OK once again, close everything from here and just refresh the wallet to see the magic. So as you can see, this our transaction received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the time, what's time it is. I mean date. It's today's Thursday 21 May 2026. Okay, and this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe for more related videos. And this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to receive the transaction. I mean confirm the transaction. Okay, so you can refresh this to see if it's confirmed, or maybe it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Yeah, it's not confirmed, and don't be worried about this price. As you know, it's the same. As you know, BTC rate is fluctuate, so yeah, it's so high, its price is so high. So yeah, this is the wallet.